Crypto Daybook Americas. Bitcoin.com masks tension over Fed. Geopolitics. Your day ahead look for June 27, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Francisco Rodrigues. All times ET unless indicated otherwise. One of the biggest Bitcoin BTC $107,335.95 options expiries of the year has come and gone, and the largest cryptocurrency has declined just 0.6% in the past 24 hours to a little under $107,000. In Bitcoin terms, that's pretty much rock steady. For a look at how unperturbed traders are at the moment, consider Deribit's BTC Volatility Index, DVOL, a measure of implied volatility. That's now dropped to 37, its lowest level since late 2023. The broader crypto market is less sanguine, with the CoinDesk 20, CD20, index down 1.2%. Bitcoin's reduced volatility is perhaps a sign that the market is increasingly confident in its macro-hedge role. Deribit's chief commercial officer Jean-David Péquignot told CoinDesk. Bitcoin's $105,000 level is pivotal, with technicals suggesting caution if support fails. The ceasefire in the Israel-Iran war has, no doubt, calmed geopolitical tensions for the time being, though that's far from the only conflict in the world. Investors may also be waiting for directional signs from the economy, with U.S. personal consumption expenditures, PCE, due later today. That's a report the Federal Reserve keeps a close eye on. Emergence of an external catalyst such as an escalation of the NATO-Russia tensions will test the market's resilience, although the general midterm upward price trajectory seems to remain in play, Péquignot said. Reports that the White House may announce a successor to Fed Chair Jerome Powell in coming months raised fresh questions about the U.S. central bank's independence, bringing down the greenback. The U.S. dollar index stumbled to a 3-year low. Equity markets, meantime, have roared back to life. In Asia, shares hit a 3-year high on optimism the U.S. and China have reached an agreement over the rare earth trade, feeding a broader risk-on trend. Still, the impending U.S. PCE report is dominating today's agenda. A figure above economists' estimates could hurt the chances of a July rate cut and undermine the current trend. The crypto market is currently in a wait-and-see phase, and the upcoming data will likely determine the short-term direction. Bitfinex analysts told CoinDesk. If PCE results come in as expected or lean dovish, crypto assets may see a catch-up rally. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10th that allows general counsels, compliance officers, and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. Space is limited. Use code CDB10 for 10% off your registration through July 17th. By Shoria Malva. Effective June 30th, the price for Galaxy will be for its NASDAQ listing denominated in US dollars, rather than the Canadian dollar denominated listing on the TSX. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at Currency and Commodities Desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron, and DOT. Shoria is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shoria holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, MANA, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.